Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see there's no precipitation in our area, but there's a bit of a disturbance off the coast of the Outer Banks right now. Looking at our upper level winds at around 1,000 feet, winds are coming out of the 195 degrees at 13 knots and moving up to 25,000 feet. They're looking to be a more northwesterly direction at 39 knots, and the freezing level is 14,400 feet. And taking a look at our visible satellite, you can see that disturbance off the coast of the Outer Banks pretty well. And the National Hurricane Center is actually predicting this low pressure system to be a tropical cyclone within the next 48 hours. There's about a 70% chance of it being a tropical cyclone. So that's something to watch out for. It's actually going to stay off the coast and continue away from the Wallops region, which is actually going to be helpful for us, hopefully, in pulling out the instability that would be in our area and pulling it out towards the ocean. And I'm looking real quick again at our composite reflectivity. You can see right now we don't really have any type of precipitation chances in our area as we move throughout the early afternoon and late afternoon. There's going to be a little bit of a storm system moving through right here that we'll have to keep an eye on its timing and location as it moves our way. As we get into about the 2 a.m. to about 5 a.m. time frame, you can see that it's going to be moving into our region. There's still a chance it could stay mainly north of us, but it's something to keep an eye on as we go into our launch window. And looking ahead with our long-term model forecast, you can see these chances of precipitation early Tuesday morning that we're going to keep an eye on. But outside of that, we'll see a pretty significant dry period. There is a chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in this time frame, Wednesday, about 2 p.m. So it's something that we're also going to keep an eye on. But other than that, looking pretty dry and not much threat of precipitation as we go throughout the week. Even Friday and Saturday still looking dry. And as we get into Sunday is when we start to see potential for a chance of showers throughout the day as well. Again, still pretty far out, given that it's only Monday, but something that we'll watch as we go throughout the week. And looking again at our 24-hour weather risk, partly cloudy skies for most of the day today and until night. There is a very slight chance of a shower around 11 p.m. tonight. But after that, our main threat of precipitation is going to be from around the 2 to maybe 6 or 7 a.m. time frame. We have a little bit of a chance of a thunderstorm in that time frame. From 2 to 5, maybe about a 15% chance. And from 5 on, maybe about a 10% chance. So not anything serious, but something that we're going to keep a watch out for as we move closer into the countdown. And our winds are mainly southerly as we move throughout the day, transitioning to more southwesterly as we move into the countdown window. And our tides are slightly above normal. And looking ahead at our week, you can see today is partly cloudy, and we have those chance of AM showers, maybe a slight chance of a thunderstorm as we move into Tuesday morning. As we move throughout the countdown window. High today around 80, low tonight about 68, and as we move into tomorrow, a high of 83, and then a low of 64. As we move into Wednesday, we're going to look at a high of around 77 with that slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm that I mentioned earlier. Maybe about a 20% chance at this point, but something that we'll keep an eye on. As we move through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll have not much chance of precipitation, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, lows in the upper 70s highs in the upper 70s, lows in the upper 50s. And then Saturday looks to be a warm one right now with a high around 88 degrees. And then as we get into Sunday, we might see that chance of showers again, maybe about a 30% chance at this point with a high of 78. And that'll conclude it for your 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope you have a good day.